Welcome in our geography session for standard 12th by Deshmukh Madam. We discuss chapter 5th secondary economic activities. And in last video we discussed about the types of industries. In last video in the previous and the types of industries which based on the source of raw material and nature of and the capital investment, source of raw material and capital investment. Now in this video we discuss about industries which are depend on nature of output. There is a consumer light good industries, then basic heavy industries and ancillary industries. Now first, that is a these industries are almost depend on the nature of output. So the how much size of that products, what is the how much weight of that products is responsible for the creator nature of that product. So we discuss a third type of the industries distribution which is depend on nature of output. The first industry basic oblique heavy industry. Second consumer goods oblique lightweight industries. And third ancillary industries. Now in basic heavy industries, industries which produce a material is in turn used to other industries. Such industries are included in a basic industries or heavy industries. Almost the basic industry, the products from a basic industries is a raw material for other industries. For example, iron and steel industry make a steel, and that steel is used in automobiles and many other heavy machinery industries. That's why steel industry is a basic industry, and the other industries which are depend on the steel industry or the production of steel industry. So that steel is necessary for several purposes, and it is a raw material for other industries. So this type of industries, these industries are very huge. The capital investment is very high. It's produce a basic raw material for other industry. That raw material is a production of this type of industry. Now second, consumer goods oblique lightweight industries. Industries which produce finished products which are directly ready to selling for consumption. Such industries are known as a consumer goods or lightweight industries. Almost we observe the consumer goods, the products which we consume or purchase. Such products are a lightweight products, and that's products produced in industries. That industries are known as a consumer good. There are the several products. For example, the products related with the food processing industries, as well as the daily use purpose are also there. For example, watchmaking industry, electronic goods. We use iron and several electronics equipment for our daily use. Then the some tablets, the pharmaceutical plants are also there. Textile mills are also there. Such produce a lightweight products, and the products which are fulfill the daily need of consumer. There is a daily demand for that production is also there. So such goods, such industries are known as a consumer goods or lightweight industries. Now we can observe there are the several products we observe in a mall. When we enter in a mall, then we are purchase several items which are related with our fulfill a daily demands and daily needs. So this type of industries which produce these items and production, such industries are known as a consumer goods industries. Now third, ancillary industries. The industries which produce parts and components to be used by other industries for manufacturing heavy article. Such industries is known as a ancillary industry. When we use a bike and bicycle, as well as when we travel from the railway, aeroplane, at that time if we observe that vehicle, we can see the several parts are joined with each other. Now that all parts are not produced in a one place, in a one industry, so they are produced in a several different units or different industries. That several different types of industries are known as a ancillary industries. For example, when the truck, buses, railways, engines, tractor, such production is used a several finished material. For example, some bolts are there, some for example, when we use a bike, there are several spare parts are there. Some are made from the plastic, some are made from the steel, some are made from the bronze, aluminium, then there are machines. So these different parts are produced in a different industries, and that variety of industries which produce that finished product, that industries are known as a ancillary industries. So when the railway engine is developed, at that time that railway engine industry import the all types of parts from ancillary industry, and they produce, they assemble that engine, and they produce a engine with the help of other small parts. If you observe this picture, you can see there are the some vehicles which are developed with the help of different variety of parts are there, and they develop such type of cars. As well as these products, very smaller parts are there, they joined that parts to each other and then produce a vehicle. And such biggest industries are depend on such type of several ancillary industries. In this way we complete a third point, that is the types of industries. Now in the next video we discuss the industries which depend on based of ownership. Okay, thank you.